Are you tired of that persistent, glowing hum in your life? Do you find yourself constantly trying to dim the overwhelming brightness, only to be met with the same unwavering luminescence? If you're wondering how to finally be rid of that pervasive neon, then you've come to the right place. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify what we're actually talking about here. We're not discussing the noble gas that powers those retro signs or the vibrant glow sticks at a rave. No, the neon we're addressing today is that invisible, yet incredibly impactful, force that can take over our lives, the constant pressure to be on, to be visible, to shine brightly even when we're feeling dim. It's the relentless pursuit of external validation, the fear of fading into the background, and the exhaustion that comes from perpetually trying to outshine everyone else. Think about it. In our hyperconnected world, it's easy to feel like we constantly need to be broadcasting our best selves. Social media feeds are a kaleidoscope of carefully curated highlights, professional networks demand an always-on availability, and even our personal lives can feel like a performance. This constant need to glow, to be seen, to be neon, can leave us feeling drained, unauthentic, and ultimately, deeply unsatisfied. So, how do you get rid of that neon? It's a multifaceted approach, but it starts with a fundamental shift in perspective. Firstly, embrace the power of dimming. It's okay to not be the brightest light in the room all the time. In fact, true strength often lies in the ability to step back, to observe, and to allow others to shine. This isn't about hiding, it's about strategic energy management. Give yourself permission to be quiet, to be unseen, to simply be. This might mean taking a social media detox, declining an extra commitment, or simply enjoying a moment of solitude without feeling the need to document it. Secondly, recalibrate your internal validation meter. The neon thrives on external applause. The more we chase likes, compliments, and recognition, the brighter its glow becomes. Instead, consciously shift your focus inward. What truly fulfills you? What brings you genuine joy, even when no one else is watching? Cultivate self-compassion and celebrate your own progress, no matter how small. When your sense of worth comes from within, the external neon loses its magnetic pull. Thirdly, prioritize connection over projection. The allure of neon is often about projecting an image. True human connection, however, is built on authenticity and vulnerability. Instead of trying to impress, focus on truly seeing and being seen by others. Engage in meaningful conversations, listen actively, and allow yourself to be imperfect. This genuine connection is far more illuminating and sustainable than any superficial glow. Finally, understand that fading is not failing. Life has seasons of intense activity and seasons of quiet reflection. Just as the moon waxes and wanes, so too do our energy levels and our desire for visibility. There's immense beauty and growth in the quiet moments, and the periods of rest and recalibration. Don't fear the fade, embrace it as an essential part of your journey. It's in these moments of perceived dimness that we often gather the strength and clarity to truly shine in our own unique way, without the exhausting pressure of being neon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.